Hey guys, today we are going to go over another resource that is inside the Mesquite ISD portal under the Library Services tab. The resource we are going to go over is the Library Online Catalog. The Library Online Catalog is available to all students and staff in Mesquite ISD. Once you click on the Library Online Catalog image, you are going to come over here and select your school, and it might prompt you to log into the portal again. If it asks you to do that, go ahead and do that. If it doesn't, you'll notice that on mine it went ahead and brought it up. So basically what this is going to show you is all the different books that we have here in the library. So if students are wanting to search by topic or genre, they can go up here and just click on the different tabs for what they're searching for, and it will show you what we have available. So our kids love scary stories. You'll notice that after I clicked on scary stories, it has collections. If you've asked me to curate a collection under Destiny Collections, they will click there. It has some database information and other educational resources, but I really want to focus on the books. So you'll notice that now that I've picked on scary stories, it tells the students that there's over 200 books available. They can sort by different things. If they are wanting like the most recent or in alphabetical order, it doesn't matter. They can scroll down and you'll notice that there are little green tabs if it's available. And if it's not available, the tab will be in red. So if there's a book that students are interested in, of course, it gives the call number where they can find it. It also has the reading and interest level if that's important for some of the kids to make sure they are getting a good fit book or going to search for one. But if they see a book that they want, they can go click on it. And actually what they can do is they can put a hold on the book. Putting a hold on the book, what it does is when I come in the mornings and I log into my computer, I will get a notification that says, hey, you need to pull this book for this student or for this teacher. So in order to do that, once you click on the title, it's going to ask you to log in again, and so you can see all the features. So if I click on the login again, I'm going to click on Mesquite ISD single sign-on users. That is, once again, just your username and password for the portal, which all students should know these. And once the students get logged in, it will prompt them with a hold button. And so you'll notice right here, if there's a hold key, I can put it on hold. And when I come in to work, I'll get the notification. I'll call the teacher or send them an email like, hey, I have a book for one of your students. And it's a really neat option for kids. So inside the online catalog, it also has, the new books or popular books, ebooks and audiobooks. It just kind of gives you an overall view of what we have. If students know that they're wanting something specific, they can come and type it in up top and in the search bar, and it will bring up that topic or the author or that particular book. Remember that spelling is really, really important when you're doing your searches, because if you don't spell it right, you're not necessarily guaranteed to get any search results. If you go over here and click on the hamburger next to Destiny Discover, this is where you can access the collections. Remember, teachers, I sent out information on Destiny Collections where I can go ahead and put together a collection of different articles from our databases or different websites for students to use when they're doing research. You'll notice that we have a collection on Hispanic Heritage Month for grades 3 through 5, pre-K through 2. And if you click on it, it has what I've already put in it, different country topics from different databases. And so your students don't even have to go in and search for those things. I've already put it there. So this is a great resource. I can make collections for teachers, grade levels, any topics that you're studying to make researching easier for your students, especially with the inquiry and research that is built into the curriculum. I know that sometimes students can struggle with finding good articles. Well, I can go in and pull those articles for you, and they can just access them through the Destiny Collection or the Online Catalog tab. Students can check out their information to see what books do I have on hold, what books do I have checked out. So they can even see from home what they have if they go in and access the Library Online Catalog. So this is the Library Online Catalog. It is available to all the students, and I hope that you found this helpful. If you need any help with collections or helping your kids search for more books, please don't hesitate to ask, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.